session.
Yeah, food trip to go session is like a challenge basically where you pick random foods from the grocery and buy them, and then after you have to test them.
Okay, so we're about to test it.
Yeah, these.
Oh, Ethan will pick. Go, pick. Ethan
No,
is the
first-
picker. Close eyes and pick. Oh, first it's Basti. Okay.
Okay, big one.
Okay, read.
Pineapple pie, guys. Let's see
Pineapple
what this
pie.
tastes like. Okay, I'll get one, guys.
Okay, so it's from. See, get one. You want to taste or share kayo? Are you going to share?
Share.
Okay, so this is pineapple pie from. It's from the Philippines. It's a very popular Pinoy pie because we have a lot of pineapple in the Philippines. Where? In Cagayan de Oro and General Santos. You have a lot of pineapple. That's what they use as peelings. Okay?
Okay, taste test in 3.
Wait, I'm not yet. Let's
Okay.
taste this. Look,
Not
it's shaped as pineapple.
Oh yeah, I didn't even
You didn't
realize
appreciate. Okay, let's taste.
Nice.
On
Taste
your
test.
mark.
In 3,
2, 1. There's pineapple in the middle. Did you pineapple jam? You like it?
I like that. It's good.
Yeah. Did you see the feeling? This pineapple feeling? Wow. Do you know where we got this pineapple? From Mindanao. So they crush the pineapple, blend it, put it inside. This one actually tastes good. Nice. Did you describe the taste, Basti? So it's kind of sweet, but I like the crust. It's not too sweet, so it complements the sweetness of the pineapple.
Yeah, it makes it even. So unsweet and sweet.
Okay.
So
Okay. Let me finish
let's
this.
go for the next thing.
This is nice.
You get
Look. Finish.
Just get one. Who said I can get one?
Okay. Wow. Nice. This is the water.
Okay.
Okay, someone
what
wants
did you
water.
get? OTAP.
Otap. It's from.
Where's it from?
It's a crispy flake. It's a biscuit from. I know it's popular in Cebu. So this is a biscuit from Cebu.
Hey guys.
So one for Basti and maybe we can share one piece each. Okay?
Okay guys.
Give me. So it's biscuit with sugar. Like that, oh. So you put it in sugar.
3. Hey,
2.
hey. Wait first. Drink water. Yeah, drink water.
So
Water. I kind of spilled a little bit, but it's okay. 3.
wait for Ethan.
Water.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Eat. You like it? It's kind of buttery and it has some crystals of sugar. You like it?
And it has that kind of donut-y taste.
Yeah, it's like a crispy donut. See? Yeah, it's like
With
crispy
sugar.
donut.
And like the sugar donut and
Crispy cream?
yeah, Krispy Kreme.
Mm-hmm.
But instead of a donut, it's a biscuit that has sugar. It's like the sugar donut.
I like it. I'm finished. See? This one is called Turones.
Why is it already open?
Because Stephen opened it kanina. Okay. This have different flavor. It's assorted. So it's also...
So we're gonna try each one of the flavors.
Yeah, so it's also... You read it. Rolled baked waffle. So it's a waffle snacks with assorted nuts
yeah.
inside. Wow, okay. So we're
Okay.
gonna...
So we have 2 flavors.
Yeah, two flavor. One nut is peanut, so it's mane, and one nut is cashew nuts. Peanut. Taste the cashew and taste the peanut.
Is it good? Yes, it's good.
You have to taste the difference. That one, which one do you like better? The peanut?
This one tastes more peanut butter. This one tastes less peanut butter.
This one is sweeter, right?
Yeah.
Which one is sweeter? The peanut or the
And I
cashew?
this more.
You like what more? The sweeter one. Okay. That's why it's 2. I know you like it. So I get the taste. You taste. Did you taste? That's the... Wow! Ethan seems to like it.
I really like it. I don't like it that much.
You don't like the cashew? The cashew? You like the peanut? This one is peanut. So we can put it here.
No thanks.
Okay.
I
let's
need
put
to
it there.
fill my nose.
It's called pastillas. Do you know?
I know it.
It came from what?
But I haven't tried all the tastes. That's why.
Okay, how many flavors? So this one came from milk. So it's from Pampanga. Powdered milk, condensed milk, fresh milk, and water. So it has different flavor.
We'll
Let's
have
try.
to try each one of them.
It has coffee, and then it has, what's this? Kasoy
I think
again.
Kasoy?
And mais. Mais is corn. Kasoy is cashew nut. Okay, so the brown one is coffee. And
Let's try
what's
it.
the other color?
Let's try the coffee.
Okay. You want to try the coffee, Ethan?
Ew. I don't like coffee.
But I think it's nice.
Taste.
One. It's a challenge, Basti. Let's. Okay. On your mark. Get set. Let's taste. That's not so bad.
It's not so bad. No.
It's just like dark chocolate.
I think light chocolate.
Yeah. So, you have to drink. Try to taste another one. Drink water. It's actually good.
Yeah.
So, let's reserve the coffee. Put it here. Next. Pick a color.
I'm still trying to swallow it.
Yeah, you just drink. So, we have langka, kasui, and mais. And ube. What do you like, Ethan? This one is ube. The purple one. Let's try this.
Yes, let's try it.
Okay. You have to drink because everything is, it will be taste the same. Everything. One. Okay. One for Ethan, one for Basti. You want bigger?
I
Okay.
don't like ube that much.
Okay. On your mark. Get set.
Wait, there's still some stuck in my throat.
Okay.
Okay.
On your mark. Get set. Go. Did you taste the yam? Ube is actually yam. It's just like in halo-halo, right,
I
Ethan?
do not taste anything. I tasted the rest.
Yeah, it's just the
It
ube.
is good.
Yeah. Okay.
I
Next.
don't like ube ice cream, but I like I like ube like that.
Okay. Ethan, can you give us water? Okay. Next. What? What do you want? Maybe the langka? It's the one in Toron.
Is it?
Yeah.
Isn't this meat?
Or mais. This is corn. Or kasoy. The other nut.
Best for last.
Okay.
Corn for last.
Okay, corn for last. So, langka. On your mark.
Have eaten her own.
Okay.
Let's eat it everything.
Because it's nice. I will give Ethan. Ethan, this is yours, guapo. This one is langka. It's the one in your turon.
Pen.
This is nice because it actually tastes like milk lang.
What's the flavor of it?
Langka. Okay. On your mark. Get set.
Just check. Joe!
Okay, go. 1, 2, 3. How do you like it? It tastes milk with a little fruity langka flavor, right?
Yeah.
This is the next one. Read.
Guys, milky overload. Let's see it. Okay.
Okay.
Ah!
It's many. So,
It's so many.
it's pulveron.
1, 2,
It's
3,
powdered milk
4,
again.
5,
You know, we can actually do it ourselves.
6,
We can make
7,
this.
and
Some of the
8,
things that we are
and
buying,
9,
Basti, we can
10,
actually make.
and
So, if you like something, maybe we can
11
make it.
and 12
Okay,
and
Ethan,
13
do you want me to
and
cut
14.
you half? This is how to eat it.
Thank you so much for the support.
Okay. Ah. Why did you have to crush it? You don't have to crush it. Okay. Mhm. So it's milky. It's just like the milk of a baby. You put in. How do you like it? Yummy?
Pretty good.
It's milk. Okay. Let's try another one. Maybe this is your favorite now.
Yes, it is. Everything is my favorite.
Stephen will like this because it tastes like milk. Okay, among all of these things that we've eaten earlier, which one do you like?
Because this is my favorite, milky overload.
This is pulburon, okay? That's the Filipino term for that. And this one is otak. This is what I like. And
I like
pineapple pie is what Ethan like. Because of pineapple apple pie. Pineapple apple pie. Okay.
Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Bye.